Welcome to Spotlight for Success by American Book Company. I am Devin Pintosi, your host. We are here in the partly cloudy, wonderful Lexington, Kentucky at the Continuous Improvement Conference. We are so excited to be here with our special guest, Miranda Stockton. Miranda, thank you for joining us today.
Well, it's good to be here on this lovely cloudy day.
There we go. Miranda, you join us from the Stockton County High School, is that, or Clinton County?
Clinton.
Go
County?
Bulldogs. Go
Clinton
Bulldogs.
County.
Clinton County High School. So that's wonderful. I'd like to know a bit about your educational journey. What made you decide to go into education?
Well, thinking back, first, that wasn't my first career choice at the beginning, but I clearly had a love for chemistry when I was doing in my college career, and I realized, no, that I think I want to inspire other students to have that same love and the love for science and experiencing science the way I did.
Thank you for watching Spotlight for Success. I am Devin Pintosi, Chief Operating Officer of American Book Company. We are located here in our headquarters in Woodstock, Georgia. All of our materials are printed in USA. We have course books, e-books, and online testing in grades K through 12, in mathematics, ELA, science, and social studies. These materials are all designed to help students achieve higher scores on their state-specific high-stakes assessments. We guarantee score improvement. You can get free samples of our materials either in print or in electronic formats at abck12.com. We look forward to hearing from you.
To be engaged with it.
That's great. And do you have any special moments when you were teaching students that you felt like, gosh, this is why I got into education?
Oh, absolutely. When you see a student connect with what you're with the hands-on, specifically in science, that was like a key factor. Understanding the why was such an eye-opener. Of course, it's been a while. I've moved out of the classroom, and so I see it from a completely different perspective now, but it doesn't change. It's them seeing those that are inspired and engaged.
That's wonderful. Have you enjoyed the transition as Kentucky has moved into the NGSS-style standards?
Yes. Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, more practical application.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's great. I've appreciated working with those materials myself in the company, and then just seeing all the practical applications being added into the science, I think makes it so much more relevant. Mm-hmm. Can you tell me a bit, Monica, about, I understand that during your career you've used ABC materials in the past?
Yes, we have. We actually had a big decline in our social studies, and then we had sought out different sources for high-quality resources, and ABC was one of those that we rolled out and then saw a big jump that very next year after utilizing the materials.
That's wonderful. So happy to hear that. And that was with the KSA books?
That was with our KSA books.
Wonderful.
Absolutely.
That's so great. Is there anything you'd like to, is there anything you hope to take away from this conference that you could share with the...
Oh, absolutely. It's connecting, making connections with other people while you're here, looking at best practices, seeing what others are doing, what's working, and the challenges that they face, and just connecting in that way. That way we can maybe overcome our challenges that we're seeing by doing some of the things that other schools and districts are doing.
Oh, that is so wonderful. Wow, well, I really appreciated you being able to come on to speak with us today. Again, this is Monica Stockton. She comes to us from Miranda.
It's okay.
Miranda, this is Miranda Stockton coming to us from Clinton High School. Thank you for joining us today, Miranda.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.